Unlocking the top 5 FORScan tweaks on your 2021 and newer Ford F-250 requires a compatible OBD2 adapter and the FORScan software on a laptop. You can instantly enable Bambi Mode, the DPF percentage screen, and other hidden factory features to completely customize your Super Duty. The process involves connecting to the OBD port and modifying specific module lines to activate these settings. The first major upgrade is activating Bambi Mode. This feature keeps your factory fog lights on when you activate the high beams. It provides maximum forward visibility on dark rural roads by filling in the lower lighting gaps that high beams usually miss. You just need to navigate to the body control module and adjust the fog light configuration. The second essential tweak is turning on the DPF percentage screen. This adds a dedicated gauge to your instrument cluster. It allows you to monitor exactly how full the diesel particulate filter is. Tracking this percentage helps you anticipate regeneration cycles instead of getting caught off guard by a sudden cluster warning. Disabling the double horn honk is the third highly requested modification. The truck will no longer blast the horn twice when you close the door with the engine running and the key fob in your pocket. The fourth tweak is enabling police secure idle. This prevents the transmission from shifting out of park if the key fob is not physically inside the cab. The fifth tweak is extending the turn signal flash count. The factory setting gives you 3 flashes when you tap the stalk for a lane change. FORScan lets you increase this to 5 or 7 flashes, which is much safer when towing a long trailer. Applying these 5 modifications completely transforms the driving experience of your F-250.